controversial new video out.
So controversial.
There's a controversial new video out.
So controversial.
Big controversy tonight. Big controversy.
Religious new video came out. Religious new video.
The nigga's back. Let him know wild out for a minute, then they go ahead. President, Swerve team president. The boys back. Hey, Joe, pull the plug. The boys back. Swerve team is back. Oh shit. Swerve team back.
Shout out to my nigga Dawson behind that fucking camera, nigga.
Swerve team back. Oh shit. Swerve team is back.
We back. We find no facts, nigga. We know we all it's all good, be on the map, bad in the woods when you had shit. Never had shit. Swerve on the fucking daddy in the bed. Swerve on the making bad on that shit, yeah. Swerve on the hit his pocket neck again. Fucking nigga, swerve on him. You ain't never had shit. Swerve on the fucking daddy in the bed. Swerve on the making bad on that shit, yeah. Swerve on the hit his pocket neck again. Fucking nigga, swerve on his phone. I call
Swerve team's back. Oh shit.
Swerve, bitch, you out here, nigga. Swerve team.
Don't know what to do now. That what y'all asked for? Swerve team, look at it rocking, nigga.
How y'all doing this evening, you hear me? We out here with the real Swerve team. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all, Swerve team ain't never broke up. Y'all wanna see? What's up, Murph?
Message.
Yeah, but we do have newcomers. We still got Slim Boogie.
Hold on, that bitch ass nigga over there pulling nose. With that fucking that pre-on 6 there with what's the nigga's name?
MMG.
He pulling nose.
You hear me? He come over here to try to see what's happening with us.
And fuck you, Jay.
Yeah, say Jay. You was hollering about you want us to clap?
I'm out here, nigga.
We gonna clap right now, you hear me? Y'all shot y'all video early. But look, Swerve team is up in here.
Fuck him and 32.
Yeah, 32. We
Both
gonna
of
let you
y'all can't do 6 ass nigga.
Pussy bitch.
Well, look at this. Hold on. We still have the Dumbman twins.
Nigga said nigga with the Lexus got
Ooh!
with a rubber band on it.
Ooh! Nice.
Nigga said Lexus hurt. Oh, these niggas
Say, well, hold on. You back. Puss ass nigga right there.
Oh, he coming.
Puss ass nigga right there. You see him? He coming up in here. He coming up in here. Look. Get back, y'all. Get back.
It ain't gonna spin that bitch.
Look, y'all see him, man.
Ugly ass nigga.
That nigga gonna come up in here.
Now with the
Look how put in the stuff.
I'm about to
We gonna need some ties in a minute.
What the fuck Kenny at, man?
And what Kenny at?
Say y'all. Hold on. I wanna go shoot now, son. Back over there. Guys. Well, look at those. I wanna go shoot now, y'all. Say, bro. We don't want the charger. That nigga, we done had that fucking charger since 08.
Niggas said charger 4-cylinder.
No, it ain't no 4-cylinder.
One of the world's most popular and violent video games in real life. Free straight out of Grand Theft Auto.
You've been playing the video game Grand Theft Auto and wanted to see if it was as fun in real life.
Where characters rob, carjack, and kill their way to the top of the urban underworld. It's alleged in the process, Burgess smashed into 9 cars, sending 2 people to the hospital.
He wouldn't speak to me, he wouldn't look at me. It was like he was in the zone.
Around in my Bugatti, I'ma cut the top like a karate. My crib cost me 400 bands. I talk money like dog skin. I put bounties on you haters' head. I spend 10 racks hours straight. Y'all really don't want mess with us. My whole team Bugatti up. Phantom when we wanna stun. The script club, we toss it up. Ride with us, you know we got it. My garage is so exotic. Come ride with us, you know we got it. Come ride with us, you know we got it. All whips, this so exotic. Come ride with us, you know we got it. Come ride with us, you know we got it. Come ride with us, you know we got it. All whips, this so exotic. Come ride with us, you know we got it.
AK with a standing mag. I'm talking hollow tips inside the whips y'all wish y'all had. 70 million in the bank, I'm rich. Might have called J-Tag Ole. insurance on that cop car, nigga. Rob who? Now it's over for you and your crew, nigga. Drop 10 racks on that bounty. Front less the one, and the other 9 for whoever go out and find them. My whip game so exotic. My crib came with a walk-in closet, and my swag is off the chain with plenty tats, so you know I got it. No skeletons in my closet, just plenty dead bodies. Aim game is broadside, one shot from the chopper. Come ride with us, you know we got it. Come ride with us, you know we got it. All whips, they so exotic. Come ride with us, you know we got it. Yeah. Come ride with us, you know we got it. Come ride with us, you know we got it. All whips, they so exotic. Come ride with us, you know we got it.
Coming down the streets deep, yeah. Run up on it, you feel that heat, yeah. Space dock is what you see, yeah. Space dock is what you see. Boy, you was fucked from the start. You don't have to raise up your hood to get jumped.
Beats like this. If you miss soldier, slam through the door, get clapped. If you miss soldier, slam through the door, get clapped. If you miss soldier, slam